Hi guys, I'm coming at you with a bare face. I'm just gonna go through what I'm bringing to Italy as far as makeup goes. So let's jump right into it. I'm leaving in a couple hours. It's probably a little excessive. You guys are probably gonna be like, bitch, you don't need that much shit. This is the bag that I'm bringing. The Sonia Kashuk makeup bag that I got at Target. It fits a lot of stuff. What I like about it is that you can keep your brushes up here, which is pretty nice. So then they're just all tucked away. These are all of my lip products that I'm bringing. Two from MAC. This is Staunchy Stylish. This one is nice and spicy. I want like bright pops of color. This is more of a coral color from Milani. Love those lipsticks. And this is the Laura Geller Love Me Do lip crayon. This is in the shade Dragon Fruit Sorbet. It's a really nice bright pink color. This is the Clarins lip oil. I wanted to bring this Dior lip balm because it's matte and it looks really natural, and I love that so far. Velvet Teddy from MAC is one of my absolute favorite nudes ever created. Bringing my color switch because this totally helps when you're doing eyeshadows. This little electric hair trimmer, this Sonia Kashuk sponge, this little container from House of Lashes where I'm bringing 3 lashes, 2 face sprays I'm bringing, MAC Fix Plus, and then the Urban Decay All Nighter Scrunchie. Becca Hydra Mist powder because I find that this makes my makeup last for so long. It's going to be my under eye powder, the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening primers that I decided to bring, the Revlon Color Correcting Primer, which is my favorite primer ever, and then the MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Light just so I can have a little bit of a glow. This little guy so I can mix all my stuff on there. The foundations that I'm bringing are going to be these 3. The Peach Perfect. This is a good foundation and it'll last for a really long time on the skin. The IT Cosmetics CC Cream, MAC Studio Face and Body. Concealers that I'm bringing, the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Glossier Stretch Concealer in Dark. This is a really nice spot concealer. Also going to bring this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, which is like one of my favorite concealers. Eyebrows, I'm bringing Anastasia Brow Wiz just for like a quick brow, and I like to mix it with the Glossier Boy Brow. If I want something a little bit more structured, I use the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. This is in the shade Medium Brown. Also the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. Mascara I'm bringing is the Lancome de Faciles because I plan on wearing lashes almost the entire time. One powder highlight that I'm going to bring is the Makeup Forever Profusion. So pretty, but I mainly want to use this Pure Cosmetics Moonlight Glow Strobe Palette. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it gives you such a natural glow from within. I'm so obsessed with this palette right now. Eyelash curler. One bronzer I'm going to bring is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Powder. Gorge. I love that stuff. Blush that I'm going to bring is the e.l.f. Peach Perfection Cream Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes of all time. Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder from Charlotte Tilbury. This just makes your skin look super smooth. 2 eye palettes I'm going to bring are these little guys. The Soft Glam Palette from Anastasia. Heartlet and Bloom. This is one of my most used palettes ever. I have an eyeshadow primer that I'm going to bring from Wet n Wild's Duo Lash Glue, and then 2 tweezers. I use the pink one to apply my lashes and this one to pluck hairs. And that is everything I'm bringing to Italy as far as makeup goes. Skincare is another story, which I will go through my skincare bag in another video. Woo! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so that you don't miss any Italy videos that I will be posting, because there's going to be a lot more. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can see those videos. Follow me on my social medias, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.